This is the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro cabin version, which is a 3-channel mirror-style dashcam that records the road ahead, behind your car, and even inside the cabin. I've spent quite a bit of time testing it in different conditions: day and night driving, highways, city commutes, and low-light scenarios. In this review, I'll go through the unboxing, setup and installation, real-world performance of all 3 cameras, the main features, and finally, my verdict on whether this dashcam system is worth picking up for your car. The G900 comes in a premium-looking box, and inside you'll find everything you need to get started. The main item is the 4K mirror dashcam itself. Alongside it, you get the rear camera, the cabin camera, and a GPS receiver. One of the best touches here is that WOLFBOX includes a 256GB memory card pre-installed, far more generous than what you usually see. You also get a Type-C power cable with a cigarette lighter plug, a 20-foot cable for the rear camera, and a shorter cable for the cabin camera. Straps, adhesive mounts, extra mounting hardware, and a user manual are also included, so you're ready to go out of the box. The only extra you might consider is the optional hardware kit if you want to enable parking mode. And if you're already curious about this dashcam kit, I will leave the link down below in the video description so you can check out more details while watching the rest of the review. Dash cameras are something every car should have, but if you're driving a bigger vehicle like a van, I think that a multi-camera system is a must. With a van, you need to know what's happening in front, behind, and inside the cabin. It's about safety, situational awareness, and making life easier when backing up or parking. For my tests, I used my Volkswagen Transporter long wheelbase model, which definitely demands more attention than a regular car. Having 3 camera angles made a huge difference in confidence and awareness. Installation is straightforward. The main mirror unit straps securely over your existing rear-view mirror. The rear camera is weather-resistant and mainly designed for exterior mounting, though you can also place it inside. I tested mine on the back of the window outside, not a permanent setup, but perfect for reviewing footage quality. The cabin camera connects with its own shorter cable and covers both driver and passengers. It's especially useful for rider-share drivers or anyone who wants extra in-car security. Once powered on, the large mirror display comes to life. It's sharp, it's bright, and makes a standard mirror feel outdated. It's easy to swipe between camera views, split the screen, or adjust brightness. The touchscreen is responsive, and everything feels smooth and beginner-friendly. The mirror display has all the parts you need for connecting the cameras, power, and accessories, and they are all neatly placed on the top for easy cable management. On the bottom, there is a convenient button to turn the display on or off. The front camera module itself is rotatable, so you can fine-tune the angle, and overall, the build quality feels top-notch. It's a solid, high-quality piece of kit. Flexibility is where it shines. You can run a full-screen live view from the front, rear, or a cabin camera, or use a split-screen mode to see multiple angles, perfect for reversing or navigating tight spots in my Transporter van. You can also start or stop recording manually, adjust brightness, or bring up any camera individually. You can even move the viewing angle up and down for each feed. You can also take photos, lock the screen, and review recorded footage directly on the mirror. Unlike traditional dash cams with tiny displays, this massive screen makes reviewing footage practical. You don't need to transfer clips to a laptop, you can check everything right here. There are also simple toggles for the microphone and system sounds, plus built-in voice commands. Saying commands like show rear or front camera or turn on or off the screen works instantly, which is especially handy when driving. Show front camera. Show rear camera. Turn off the screen. Turn on the screen. In settings, you can fine-tune resolution, loop recording, G-sensor sensitivity, Wi-Fi frequency, volume, screen brightness, exposure levels, reversing lines, GPS data, and much more. In short, the mirror isn't just a display, it's the control center for the whole dashcam system. Now to the most important part, performance. The front camera records in 4K at 30 FPS with Sony's Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. Daytime footage looks fantastic. It is stacked sharp, vibrant, and with excellent dynamic range. License plates and road signs are very easy to read. At night, the Starvis 2 really proves itself. Headlights don't blow out the image, dark areas stay visible, and the footage is balanced and clear even on poorly lit roads. The rear camera records in 2.5K. During the day, the video is stacked sharp and easily among the best I've tested. Because it's mounted outside, it doesn't lose quality shooting through the glass, so the footage is crisp and reliable. At night, thanks to its large sensor and strong light sensitivity, it outperforms many other rear cameras. Plates and headlights are captured clearly, even in near darkness, ideal for both parking and covering blind spots. The cabin camera records in 1080p with a wide field of view. Its key feature is automatic infrared night vision, which kicks in at low light and switches back to color in daylight. This gives you clear footage around the clock without any manual adjustment. Overall quality is very solid, making it useful for either shared drivers or families alike. Together, the 4K front, sharp 2.5K rear, and versatile cabin camera make this one of the most complete and best video quality setups I've tested in a dashcam. Beyond video, the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro has several features that add real value. It supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, giving faster and more stable connections than standard 2.4 GHz systems. The already mentioned voice control is another highlight. I mostly used it to switch between the front and the rear cameras, which is especially helpful when parking or driving. It lets you keep your hands on the wheel and still check what's behind you. Parking mode is also available if you use the optional hardware kit that you need to purchase separately. It records whenever motion or an impact is detected, giving extra security when your car is parked. Since the dashcam uses a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery, it handles extreme heat and cold without any issues. Storage is generous. The included 256GB card and loop recording ensure that the camera never stops recording. Important clips triggered by impacts are locked automatically. And finally, GPS tracking. The included receiver logs your speed and location, which is stored with your footage, another valuable layer of evidence if needed. The companion app really rounds out the experience. In the app, you can view the live feed from all three cameras, switch views, start or stop recording, toggle sound, and even see your location. Many settings mirror what you can already change on the dashcam itself, but the app goes further. When playing back clips, it overlays speed, GPS coordinates, and altitude. It also shows a live route animation of your trip with real-time speed, which is both useful and nicely implemented. Downloading clips is quick and intuitive. You can easily save and share recordings directly to your phone, and thanks to the faster connection, transfer speeds are excellent. After testing the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro cabin version, I can confidently say it's one of the most complete dashcam systems I've tested. The 4K front camera with StarVis 2, the sharp 2.5K rear camera, and the versatile cabin cam give you coverage from every angle. The large mirror display is sharp and practical. The app adds powerful tools, and features like parking mode, GPS, and a generous storage make it a very well-rounded package. If you're looking for a mirror-style dashcam that delivers excellent video quality day and night and gives you full inside and out coverage, the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro cabin version is an easy recommendation. If you're interested in picking one up, I will leave a link down below in the video description so you can check it out and see the latest prices and details. Tell me in the comment section down below what do you think about this dashcam system. Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.